Debt collectors called me 7 times in one day. Morning, afternoon, dinner time, even after 9 p.m. They said if I didn't pay immediately, things would get worse. Then I learned one law. I used it once, and they never called again. Today I'm going to show you the law debt collectors hope you never find, and why knowing it gives you power. Right now, millions of people think debt collectors have unlimited control over them. They don't. In fact, most of what debt collectors say on the phone is either misleading, exaggerated, or flat out illegal. And there is a federal law designed specifically to stop them. It's called the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, also known as the FDCPA. Here's what that really means in plain English. The FDCPA is a rule book that tells debt collectors exactly what they can and cannot do when trying to collect money from you. These are not suggestions, they are not guidelines, they are rules. And when a debt collector breaks them, the power shifts to you. Let's start with what debt collectors cannot do, even if you owe the debt. Debt collectors cannot harass or intimidate you. They cannot call you repeatedly to pressure you. They cannot call before 8 a.m. or after 9 p.m. They cannot threaten arrest, jail, or lawsuits they do not actually intend to file. They cannot lie about how much you owe. They cannot pretend to be lawyers, judges, or government agents. They cannot call your job after you tell them not to. They cannot discuss your debt with other people. And they cannot use abusive, obscene, or threatening language. If they violate even one of these rules, they have already broken federal law. Now here's how you make them stop. There is a legal move called a cease communication request. In writing, you can tell a debt collector one sentence: do not contact me again. Once they receive that letter, they must stop contacting you. No more phone calls, no more voicemails, no more intimidation. If they continue calling after that, they are violating federal law. Next, disputing a debt. You have the legal right to demand proof. Proof that the debt is real, proof that the amount is correct, and proof that they have the legal right to collect it. This is called debt validation. If they cannot verify the debt, they cannot legally collect it. No proof, no payment. And yes, you can sue them. Under the FDCPA, you can sue a debt collector for up to $1,000 per violation, plus attorney fees, plus court costs, even if the debt itself is real. Because the law punishes how they collect, not just what they collect. Here's the truth most people never hear. Debt collectors don't rely on money. They rely on fear. They win when you're confused. They lose when you're informed. The law doesn't just protect the powerful, it protects people who know their rights. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Laws may vary by jurisdiction. Consult a qualified attorney for advice specific to your situation. If this helped you, share it with someone dealing with debt collectors right now. And follow Law Unlocked, because knowing your rights changes everything.